Welcome everyone to the Core Maximus YouTube page. Today is all about rolling, and we are going to roll our glutes. So I have two toys with me today. I have the ball, which is more intense, more localized, or absolutely you can continue to use your roller. I love both. It depends on the intensity that you're looking for, how hard we need to roll, and what you're looking to get out of today. But both the techniques are the same, just different products. So, alrighty, let's do our lovely right glute. You're going to place your roller or your ball on your mat. And for now, I'm going to start with my roller. You are going to place your butt cheek directly in the middle of the roller. So all of my pressure is on that butt cheek. My hips are at an angle. My hand is going to come down to the floor behind me. If you have a yoga block or you want to be up on your fist as opposed to your hand, you absolutely can be, all right? For our purposes, my left leg is bent and my right foot is going to come up over my left knee. If this is too much of a stretch for you, by all means you can keep that right foot down on the floor or straighten that left leg a little bit. It makes it a little bit less of a stretch. All right, so I'm on my muscle, not on a bone. And from here, I'm going to roll myself a little bit towards the grid, or towards my heels. So I'm going to roll. The grid is going to roll up my glute, full inhale. And then full exhale, I'm going to roll back. Grid is going to roll away from that left foot. Nice and easy roll down. So a good big breath in as the grid rolls up the glute, and then big exhale. So when you roll, you want the speed of your inhale to match the speed of the roll. So the length of time it takes us to roll up, that's how long it takes us to inhale. And then speed of the roll down, full exhale. You want a consistent pace on the up. Big breath in, try to relax everything, let all our weight sink into the grid, and big exhale. Back to start. We've got one more. So you can do anywhere from 3 to 5 rolls. I have one left. If you need to pause or take a break, come on off this. Last one here, full breath in. And then I want that full breath out. Wonderful. Okay, now I want you to roll around a little bit. So if you're using the ball, you're going to find a trigger point. You're going to find a spot where you go, oh, that's not very nice. And you're going to hang out there. Then you're going to bring that right foot back down onto the ground. And from here, you're going to drop that right knee open and then pull back in. Big breath as that knee drops open. And then full exhale. Let's pull back to the middle. Good, big breath on the open. Relax your fingers, relax your toes. Back to the middle. Let all our weight sink into the grid. Big breath on the inhale. Big breath as we exhale. Again, anywhere from 3 to 5. Big breath in. And big exhale on the out. Wonderful. Come off of there. Rest that poor little glute, and we will move on to the other side. So for this side, I'll use the ball. If you want to keep going with the roller, same principles, just a different toy. So now I'm going to find, I'm going to get my glute onto the ball. I'm still going to angle my hips. I angle my shoulders, all my weight's on my left hand here and my right foot. I'm going to lift that left heel on top of that right foot. Gets a little bit more intense here. And I'm rolling up and down. So I'm going to bring my roller or the ball closer to my heel. I'm going to roll down the glute through the full inhale. And then roll up. All right, toes relaxed, feet relaxed, fingers relaxed, shoulders relaxed, full inhale, speed of the roll matches speed of your breath. A nice good roll up and then full exhale as we roll back to start position and past. So you shouldn't hit any bones. We're not rolling over any joints. It's all muscle. Full inhale, so the ball rolls down my glute. Good, and then full exhale, roll all the way back through. You're gonna find points that don't feel good. And those are the ones you really wanna fight to roll through, not over, with that consistent speed, consistent pace, sinking into the grid. I'm doing 5. If you need to stop at 3, stop at 3. There it is, last one. Okay. I'm going to place I'm going to find a trigger point first. I'm going to roll around till I find a spot. Yep, there it is. Find a spot that isn't so happy, and I'm going to bring my foot back down onto the floor. I'm still keeping my weight either on the roller or the ball, and from here, I'm going to open that knee like a hurdle, and then exhale. Pull that knee back up to neutral. So here, if it's pretty intense and you're making a face, it's not a bad thing, as long as you can still do your full inhale, full exhale. If you hit 3 and that is enough of inhales and exhales and movements, then we stop at 3. I'm at 2.5 here. Big exhale as I pull that all the way back up. I have 2 left. If you need to pause, come on out of this. And every day will be different depending on what you did the day before, depending on how much you rolled. Some days you might do 3, some days you might do 5. It might feel completely different. Doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. Hydration, how much you slept last night, all of those pieces of the puzzle come into play when we roll. And nice and easy, come off of that. That was incredible. If you want to keep rolling, please check out the other YouTube videos. And if you have not yet subscribed, we would love if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a great way to support us. And also, if you click that little bell icon, then you get notified every time we post a new video. So keep rolling. Have a great day.